Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to talk about how much I made working as a freelancer on Fiverr for over the course of a year. So around last year I decided that I'm going to expand my horizon and see how much I can make on the side while working as a freelancer on some of the popular platforms. The most popular ones I could find, they are like Total, Upwork, and Fiverr. But one thing about Fiverr caught my attention. I really liked the interface and I decided to register and give it a trial. So today I'm going to show you how much I've made over the course of that year working on Fiverr. So this my results are usually typical. You might get lower or higher, but it is just what I got while working over the course of a year. Guys, I'm going to head over to the laptop and I'm going to show you how much you've made. So
I'm going to head over to Fiverr.com and log into my dashboard. Here is the dashboard. You're going to see some of the statistics related to the services you offer. I'm going to go head over to the earnings so we can see how much I've earned on Fiverr.com. As you can see on the earnings, I've earned a total of $648 and I've withdrawn $625.82 and I've used $18 for purchases, and fortunately I have 0.1 cents available for withdrawal. So in the analytics section, I can still go to the overview, and here you can see as well that I've earned a total of $648.80. It's an average selling price of $85.23, and I've completed 10 orders since I joined in over the course of 1 year. That's it, guys. What do you think? For me, it was not a bad experience in the sense that it's a freelance. I have other things I do on the side. This is not all the money I've earned in the course of 1 year. And I don't think I really took it very serious as I should, because, as I said, I have other endeavors and things that I'm into. But I think one can actually earn a good living from being a freelancer on such of these sites. So guys, comment below if you think it's really worth it. I will love to hear your views and comments. Like and subscribe as well. Let's help this channel get monetized. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.